This is Minsha and welcome back to my channel Minsha's Food. So today I'm going to make beef macaroni sandwich. Guys, shall I say the ingredients? Coriander leaves, steamed crushed potato, crushed steamed beef with salt and pepper, mozzarella cheese, garlic sauce, steamed macaroni, bread, pepper powder. Friends, now we need to prepare it. First I take here a bowl. We need to put beef into the bowl. Next, we need to add potato crushed, macaroni, now we need to add coriander leaves, now we need to add garlic sauce, now we need to add some pepper, okay. Now we need to mix it well. Now we need to taste it. We need to add little bit of salt. We need to mix it again. I take here a bread. We need to add some mozzarella cheese. Next we need to add mix into the bread. We need to make it in breads all sides. Okay. Next we need to add some more mozzarella cheese. Next we need to put our bread. Okay. I am taking one more bread. Same thing. Put some mozzarella cheese. Next we need to add our mix into the bread. Next we need to add some mozzarella cheese. Next we need to take one bread. Okay. First we need to start our baking. Okay, shall I put it in the oven? Should I toss it? I am putting in convection mode. 180 degree. We need to add in 10 minutes. Dear friends, our beef macaroni sandwich is ready. Time to taste. Yeah. Ooh. I need to taste it. Here it is. Shall I put it in the sauce? It's too tasty. Oh my god, I love it too much. It's too tasty in that masala cheese and all, and the mix. It's too tasty. All of you need to try this, okay? So, thank you for watching my video. You need to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, and just press the bell button. Bye bye. Love you all. Mwah.